Need to reset your Omron blood pressure monitor? This guide will walk you through the standardized reset procedures that work across most Omron models. First, identify which type of reset you need. A factory reset clears everything and returns the device to original settings. A memory reset only clears stored blood pressure readings. A settings reset clears time, date, and user preferences while keeping your measurement history. Here's the universal reset procedure that works for most Omron models. First, make sure your device is completely powered off. Next, hold the start and memory buttons simultaneously. These are typically the two main buttons on your device. Hold both buttons for 5 to 10 seconds. You'll need to maintain steady pressure until you see a confirmation signal. Watch for confirmation signals like a display flash or the letters CL appearing on screen. This indicates the reset command has been accepted. Finally, turn the device completely off and then back on again to complete the reset process. Some models have special requirements. Wrist monitors like the HEM 6161 and 6232T series may have single-button reset options. If your device connects to the Omron Connect app, disconnect it first before performing a reset. Always check your specific model manual for any unique procedures. Remember this simple sequence. Power off, hold start and memory buttons for 5 to 10 seconds, look for the confirmation signal, then power cycle your device. Always back up important readings before performing any reset. After resetting your Omron blood pressure monitor, the first critical step is setting the correct date and time. This ensures proper data logging and tracking of your measurements over time. For newer models like the 7156T and HEM 7280T, resync your device with the Omron Connect app. This provides automatic data backup and enables remote reset options for future use. Before taking your first official measurement, allow the device to recalibrate by taking 2 to 3 practice readings. This ensures the system stabilizes and provides accurate results. Regularly export your readings to prevent data loss. Use the smartphone app or maintain a written log as backup. This protects your valuable health data from accidental resets. Dr. Sarah Chen, a hypertension specialist, recommends monthly memory resets for shared devices to prevent data contamination between users. This ensures accurate tracking for each individual. Following these setup steps ensures your Omron blood pressure monitor provides reliable and consistent measurements. Proper initial configuration, regular backups, and appropriate maintenance will maximize the accuracy and longevity of your device.